आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, question is find the value of a so that limit x tends to 0 e to the power ax minus e to the power x minus x is equals to 3 by 2 and upon x square is also given. So let's solve this problem. Okay, if you'll put limit x tends to 0, e to the power 0 will become 1 minus, here e to the power 0 will become 1 minus 0 upon 0 square. And this will become 0 upon 0. Okay, and this 0 upon 0 according to limit gives the value 3 upon 2. So we have to find value of a. So whenever you need to find any constant in question and the form is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, use L'Hopital rule. And L'Hopital rule says that differentiate numerator and denominator separately and put limit in both the differentiations. Okay, if it again becomes 0 by 0, then proceed with same step until you find some finite value. So here I am going to differentiate this. First of all, I am going to write limit x tends to 0. Differentiation of e to the power ax will be a into e to the power ax. Okay, and this is formula e to the power ax is equals to a into e to the power ax minus differentiation of e to the power x will be e to the power x and differentiation of x will be 1 upon 2x. When you will put x tends to 0 over here, okay, x tends to 0 over here, what will get? Let's see. Here we will get a into e to the power a into 0. A into 0 will be 0, e to the power 0 will be 1. So we'll get a into 1a minus e to the power 0 1 minus 1 upon 2x, and x will be 0 at x tends to 0, 2 into 0. So what will get? A minus 2 upon 0, and here you can see this value will tends to infinity, plus minus, plus infinity or minus infinity. We don't know what is this a minus 2. Either this is positive number or negative number. If a minus 2 is positive number, then this will tends to plus infinity, and a minus 2 is negative number, then this will tends to minus infinity. Now see, as you can see, this is 3 by 2, this is not infinity. So this should must be in form of 0 by 0 so that we can solve this further. To become this 0 by 0, value of a should be equals to 2. Now I am going to solve and find at a is equals to 2 whether this limit is 3 by 2 or not. So from here we got answer a is equals to 2. Now let's differentiate. At a is equals to 2, this will become 0 by 0. So when this is 0 by 0, we can again apply L'Hopital. So let's apply L'Hopital one more time. Limit x tends to 0. And value of a is 2 into, this will become 2 into e to the power 2x minus e to the power x minus 1 upon 2x. I am going to differentiate this again. 2 will be as it is, and differentiation of e to the power 2x as according to this formula, this will be 2 into e to the power 2x minus, and differentiation of e to the power x will be e to the power x, and differentiation of minus 1 will be 0, and in denominator differentiation of 2x will be 2. And when x tends to 0, e to the power 0 will be 1, 2 into 2 will be 4, 4 into 1 will be 4. minus e to the power 0 1 upon 2, and here you will see this value is 3 by 2. So value of a will be equals to 2, then only value of this limit will be 3 by 2. You can see over here. Thank you students.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।